The MBA is about mixing life and business.
It's very stressful.
This is a trick question.
It's about experiencing leadership.
As of now, nobody cried.
Getting to know people you won't forget your entire life.
Oh.
This course, a leadership course, is at the outset of the MBA program. The students are super excited to work on the challenge and to raise money for an important cause.
So we are supporting Sport for Good programs all over the world to teach children social skills through sports.
Do you accept this challenge?
This year we decided to shift the campaign more to the virtual realm.
The challenge for today was to create a video trailer.
We've never had the chance to create a movie, so it's a first.
Let's make it.
Students need to develop a compelling story, a narrative that sticks and that convinces potential donors to give away their money.
Everyone does everything at the same time and we need to get structure in.
We push them out of their comfort zone.
Many ideas, many people, many strong opinions.
Through and push.
We're learning so much.
Very hefty pressure that we are currently experiencing.
Hello. No, okay.
Sorry.
How much money will your team raise?
5,000?
I think we will get around 5,000.
10,000 euros.
At least 20?
100,000.
They have to actually now go off campus and go onto the street to actually raise money from strangers.
We just received some more money.
Excuse me, sir. Do you want to donate? No?
It has been a roller coaster of emotions throughout the week. They have to go through these negative emotions, right? From the frustration of working with their teammates and also the stress of competing with the other teams.
But at the end, we will see a lot of smiling faces because they can be proud about what they achieved in only 1 week.
So what I really want from the students, that they think out of the box to give the children access to something really special, to something unique, to something big in future.
I believe in the cause, this cause is very close to my heart.
I think everyone deserves a chance, and we never know who has actually the potential to be the next, I don't know, Messi or any great athlete or any great mind. And this is really the potential of this campaign, the potential we can give to these people and the possibilities.
We see the efforts and the energy that everyone has put in and the success and the money that we have raised for the campaign.
We were a completely new group. No one was known to each other.
We're coming from different backgrounds and everybody is kind of like complementing each other. And I think that's the strength that brings us actually together.
So the winning team really showcases what impact you can have in 5 days. They raised an amount of money that really makes a difference.
Everyone is super happy, is super excited about this collective achievement that we have together.